Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a gig on Fiverr. Let's get started. So once you reach your web browser, you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in Fiverr login. So this first link is the one that you should press, log into Fiverr from www.fiverr.com. So we're going to click on that. So now what you need to do is sign into your account or create an account. So if you already have an account, you're going to click on continue with Google, continue with email, surname, Apple, Facebook. But if you don't have an account, you're going to have to create it first. So we're going to continue now. So once you've logged into your account, you're going to click on your profile picture over here. And then you go to click on profile. Now after doing so, you're going to scroll down a bit. And you will see an option which says create a new gig with a plus icon. So you're going to click on that. So over here it says gig title. You're going to have to give your gig a title. I will do something I'm really good at. For example, I will create voiceovers in a deep tone. For example, I will create a digital art piece. Now, if we scroll down again, it says category. Choose the category and subcategory most suitable for your gig. So let's say that you do voiceovers or your gig is related to audio. So you're going to press on this arrow here or this downward arrow, select the category. Then you're going to select music and audio. But if your gig is about something else, you're going to choose from the other options available. Graphics design, digital marketing, video and animation. But in our case, it's music and audio. And then select a subcategory. Let's say you do voiceovers or mixing and mastering, music producers. But in our case, we're going to select voiceovers. So we scroll down again. Now it says gig metadata, language. So select your narration language. So let's say you speak in Albanian, Arabic. Let's select that for example. Okay, then we're going to click on gender. So you choose your gender, male, female. I'm going to select male. Then you're going to click on purpose, scroll down again, select the type of voiceover you provide. So let's say you do video narration, podcasts, and video games. So then you're going to click on age range. Choose the age range that best represents your voice. So if your voice sounds very young, you're going to choose youth. But if it sounds more adult, you choose adult, middle-aged, senior, so on. So I'm going to select adult. Then you're going to click on tone. Select up to 5 tones of voice you deliver in this gig. So if you do angry voiceovers, you're going to select that. Conversational tones, you're going to select that as well. Deep tones, energetic, sarcastic. There you go. So you're going to scroll down again. So now what you need to do is add in some keywords. Keywords that are associated with this specific type of gig that you are going for. So since mine is about voiceovers, I'm going to type in voice, male voiceover. So I'm going to use that one for example. Then I'm going to type in narration over here. Great. So once you're done doing that, you're going to click on save and continue. So now you'll be greeted by the section which says scope and pricing. Basic offer includes, let's say you do 1,000 words. Revisions, let's say 3. Revisions is basically like if the customer is not happy with the product or the service that you provided, they can ask for a revision, basically to redo it again. So now we're going to scroll down again. As you can see the price, let's say I charge $5. So here, additional words, each additional. So the words that go beyond the limit over here, it's going to cost extra. So that's why it says additional words for that specific price. So I'm going to choose 200. And then go to delivery time up to 1,000 words in 2 days. Each additional 200 words will add 1 day to the overall delivery time. So we're going to scroll down again. Upgrades, you can add upgrades, extra fast delivery, script proofreading, commercial rights, so on, H2 audio file. So we're going to scroll down again. And then we're going to click on save and continue. So then you'll be greeted about this page which says description. Briefly describe your gig. So by adding a description, you're going to give customers an idea of what kind of services you offer and what kind of quality they should expect from you. So that's really a good thing. So if we scroll down again, all the way to the bottom, you'll see something which says FAQ, add FAQ, frequently asked questions. So this is also good. And as you can see there, it says here you can add answers to the most commonly asked questions. Your facts will be displayed in your gig page. So this is really important in order to build a little bit of trust so people have an idea of what you offer in your gig. And it also saves a lot of time. So instead of people sending you messages asking about your gig, they can just read the frequently asked questions so that they can have an idea and they can move forward quickly with no issues. So then you'll be greeted about this page which says Fiverr questions. These optional questions will be added for all buyers. So if you're ordering for a business, what's your industry? So basically, you want to get more information about the type of project that the customer is working on so that you can have a clear understanding of what to do as a seller. You can add in your questions by pressing on the blue Add New Question here. So now it says Add a Question. And as you can see here, this box has been ticked, meaning it's required. Meaning that you cannot really continue unless they provide more information. But if you don't want them to provide certain information, you can just click on it as well. So it's not required. And then here, get it in a form, free text, multiple choice, attachment. So I'm going to choose multiple choice. So here they can just add an option and then another option. So it's your choice. I'm just going to click on cancel. So as you can see here, I've added a free text. And you're going to choose your question. I just typed in random letters. So you're going to type out your question. And then since it's in free form, they can type out whatever they want. So I'm going to click on Save and Continue. So now it says Showcase your services in a gig gallery. So we scroll down here. It says Video Only One. So this is really good if you want people to get a clear understanding of what you offer. And it really boosts your gig impressions, making it more easy for people to be able to trust your services and order from you. So you go to click here, drag and drop a video or browse. And then once you find that video, you go to select it and then press open. So please bear in mind, it says, please choose a video shorter than 75 seconds and smaller than 50 megabytes. So keep that in mind. So we're going to scroll down again. And then you go to add in some audio, up to 3 files only. So drag and drop it audio or browse. You're going to click on that. Select the sample that you want your customers to hear or potential customers to hear. So I'll say offer 1, open. And as you can see that, it has been uploaded. So now here it says enter audio title. You're going to add in a title for the customers to see. And then what you're going to do is go to the right side here, click on this link, which says add tags to the sample. So now it says purpose up to 1. So what's the purpose of this audio? Let's say it's for a video game. And custom tags, again, adding more tags, which are more specific. And then you go to click on continue. Scroll down again, and you can do so again. You don't have to add up to 3, it's your choice. But if you're going to do so, make sure that you add in a purpose and then enter an audio title. Then if we scroll down again, it says images up to 3. Get noticed by the right buyers with visual examples of your services. So please make sure that your images are high quality and they are colorful because that's going to attract more clients and more customers. So drag and drop a photo or browse. You're going to click on this blue button. Actually, no, this blue word which says browse. Then you're going to look for an image and then press open. Scroll out again. After scrolling down, you're going to see something which says documents up to 2. Show some of the best work you created in a document, PDFs only. So you can upload some PDFs of the work that you've previously done. That's also a good thing. It really boosts impressions and trust in the buyer. And then once you're done, you go and scroll all the way down and make sure you tick this option. I declare that these materials were created by myself or by my team and do not infringe on any third-party rights. So you go to select that, and then you go to click on continue. And as you can see here, if you scroll down, it says you're almost there. Let's publish your gig and get you ready to start selling. So you're going to click on this button, which says publish gig. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.